from school. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. In today's video, from when you see me in that little spot here, I don't know what I'm gonna do, right? But it's a little bit different today, just a scoops different. So now I'm gonna me choose the stuff that I want to so for try. A goodie box was sent to me by one of my lovely supporter, Ashley. If you watch this, big up yourself, girl. Really appreciate it. So she ordered this goodie box from Amazon with a lot of snack and stuff like that. Made it want me because you know if nothing in there for melt or whatever the case is, me just want me to see what in there when we should have put in the fridge until I'm ready to do the video or whatever the case is. So Jason not have no clue with what in the box, but me go through the box already, you know, and look on the stuff them. Just as I said, just to see what can go in the fridge. Like chocolate was house hot, so we have to put it in the fridge until we're ready. So come on, razor blade, come on. I'm not gonna get one raw reaction. We're not gonna get a raw reaction. I'm not edit out nothing. So if Jason don't like something, it's staying in the video. So in the box here, so this is the place that the goodies are from. Exotic Earth.
Exotic Earth.
Exotic Earth. We probably need to scan the code though, babe, to see where them snacks here come from, because I don't want to say they are, I don't think they're American snacks. So I could see where them come from. So this is it. Wait there. Yep, this is it. Oh guys, you like my nails? Let me show them. Now see? I love it. And I put the same color on my toes. They have an Instagram, babe. Can you search for them Instagram? Yeah, but we could have just simple.
Maybe you can simply use it. It's something on the back.
You see that? Nah, work.
Yeah, you know, do this something good. See this something there.
I tell you. See how I do. Exotic snacks and drinks. But where are they from?
China. Canada. Vietnam. These things are from all over the world, babe. See there? Canada. See there?
So I guess the box is UK, US. So I guess it's a box full of goodies from different countries. The first thing on the list is this. Good now? Yeah. Wait there. I'm a lazy this or a lazy in Spanish. Mayonnaise. Like it come from China.
What are they beside LAE? Is that LAE, that?
Where?
Yes, sir.
I said, guys, what is a Chinese laces?
But I want to go my Google.
Why?
I can't read
I have to just spray, baby. I have to just spray. And a mayonnaise flavor. Heinz. When you Heinz, babe.
Where do Heinz from?
Babe, this is just a lace in Spanish.
It's not even Heinz, you know?
Oh, what?
I know Heinz you pronounce.
It's like mayo.
How's your name something?
Ashley! Yeah, Ashley plan here. You can't Ashley name too much. If you know, you know. Follow me on TikTok, guys. Sorry if I smell it so much. I don't know me and you. Alright, here you go. One chip for razor. One chip for me. Ready? This look like you're making a China door. If you guys know it, comment and let me know. I got one. Thank you.
I don't know how to feel.
Yeah. So it now look. You see, it have like one listen with the babe. Yeah, that is it. So it have like a Ruffles look. Is it good?
Why sweetie so?
Yeah, but it have like sweetie. And normally mayonnaise sweetie.
No, but
it's not bad.
Normally Lay's is not like that.
And we have the other head, you know. There's so much Lay's in Spanish. Somebody comment and let me know. Alright. So I bear different snacks from different countries. So if you see something from your country, comment and let me know, and also comment the flag country that you're from or you are watching this video from. Comment and let me know. And if you see something myself in your country, then may I do this last. Go ahead and comment and let me know what you think about it. So this name Coattail. Why?
Coattails.
Coattails, yeah. I don't know how to feel about it. Oreo. I see Oreo right beside it. So let us see what it's giving. Breeze melon. Let them say look close up there.
No, let me do it, babe.
What? You know you're the baby. Are you cameraman, you know?
I'm not a cameraman.
Yeah, cameraman. Alright, you first take a bite, babe.
No, you can't.
No, babe, that's bite you stop breaking off.
Bad man, I chew a stick. Whenever actual food then when they choose something where replica or some plastic.
Huh?
You're not gonna eat fake food?
Which country this come from? Coattail. Guys, which country Coattail come from? And I doubt it actually know why I eat in a car. She just order from Amazon and send it straight to our shipping address. The original, oh.
Don't you?
Yeah, I love it. It's a really good.
Let's pick up right here.
Yeah, I love it.
But you want to eat something in my hand?
Yeah, but if you like it, you can eat
I don't like it.
So guys, this is the Coattail. Why Coattail? Oxtail.
No,
a snack oxtail. Alright. So now that just not a mean throat, we're gonna wash it down with what is this?
Sour pop.
Warhead.
Warheads.
Yeah. Sour blue raspberry soda. So this is it. I don't know what country this is from. Who made this? And it's sour.
Yeah.
Oh, you can always look made in where? You funny, man. Oh, a Lay's Thailand. This is from Thailand, babe. Look. Lay's Thailand.
Oh. This look like Florida. This look like Florida.
Florida?
Yeah.
So America where I come from?
It says 0% juice.
What does that mean? Cherry. No. Now where this come from? Made in where? I got some manufacturer. Yeah. Baltimore.
Oh. Alright, we can try this. I don't know why I'm drinking something where it says 0%.
Let me tell you, I'm strong.
Yo, this stuff is green.
It's green?
Yeah.
Alright, blue is raspberry.
Yeah, I think blue. Yeah, I think blue.
You first, babe.
Remember, why me first?
Ah! Woo! Woo!
No, wait. What you panic for?
Can't you go run out in there?
No, keep calm. Oh yeah, that was rough. No, keep calm.
You want to pour it in one cup for sure them might look?
Yeah, that's what you're supposed to do.
Come over here.
I know, I'm lifting to see me fast, you know. Because first to get to me, say, just throw your meat and drink it.
Alright, stop. It's a fizz, babe, stop.
It's not them. Why are you panicking? It says
It smells good though.
Hey, it smell like your type of juice then.
A bit. Them say
Maybe
so.
drinking something out the glass.
Wow, nice.
What is this?
Babe, drink your juice now.
Sour soda.
Go up it down.
Go up down one.
Alright, thank you.
Oh, but this, you know what me I do look so well. I want to know me if I'm drunk or. The people drink this like I really on a juice can know me feel
Probably
thirsty.
I'm for the challenges, isn't it?
Nah, I know me feel thirsty.
Fizzy though.
Oh, you know blow up your tongue or nothing. That tastes like the cure for dengue.
Remember dengue?
Yeah.
I like that. It is, let me tell you, I really
All of them stuff here are some what man?
snack from different countries. But wait, let me tell you something about me. So like, how me eat, it's weird. I don't know if I ever share it with you, but if the food tastes unnecessary, I don't want to eat it. Like, because I feel like I waste my time and eat something. When I'm not happy,
Yeah, you ever switch your talk or will come out, it's nice.
I don't want to waste my time and eat. I don't want to waste my time and eat something where I'm a mouth if I'm watching now. I don't want to waste my time and eat something just tastes so unnecessary to eat. So now I know just to have fun. We know this is from...
Oh no.
It is KitKat.
You know, so this is the only chocolate I hate, but me eat it first.
Wait a minute. Wow, babe. Here's a trickster. So you don't know KitKat.
Your focus is off today.
And I mean have it back way. Back way, back way. You know, so this come from where? America?
I don't know.
Here reduce the fizz that can't good for you. Here.
I could kill off myself for 2 videos.
Which one quiet? What about the fun? Which one very quiet?
I meant to check it first if it's good. Oh, so it smells normal like chocolate.
Yeah, have you video on here?
I'm a chocolate person.
I really love KitKat after that.
The only thing that tastes normal in this entire video.
And me not a chocolate person either. I don't love chocolate. But I put my burger.
Oh god, my neck hurt.
So we'll try something else. You gonna eat after that?
Hey, man, give me back this.
Alright. So the next thing is, what is this, babe?
Anuta.
This. Where is it from?
Let me check.
Comment and let me know. Guys, interact with me in the comment section, you know. Also, wait, at the end of the video I'll tell you.
I'm not gonna eat this because not in and this is in English.
We just eat someone
I joke, right, man.
when you're in English.
That look like Russia or something.
Zutenia, Zukia.
Google spell Anuta. Okay.
Babe, these are just this are, let me tell you, these are the one word. We know the English word, guys. Just look funny. Like me know the English word there, but me I'm not tell you if them a try say. But which country said so? in
wafer, see that?
English? Wafer!
Babe.
See there? Wafer.
No.
It's a wafer biscuit.
Yeah, it is. But I don't know.
Oh, that. No, I know what I mean wafer in English.
Babe.
Babe. Anuta is a wafer treat. Oh, no. Wait, me get what you're saying now. So basically, it's a wafer treat. Babe.
See this up here? See the highlighted part there? Which means hazelnut bar in German. It's German.
And that me did I say, but you never give me a chance.
Excuse me.
Oh, so it's a German snap this.
I'm gonna place that man.
Alright. Woo!
Oh, you know what I
Alright, it's like this. Alright. Here, babe. Can I have this one? Let me take you one and drop.
No, babe, this is so big. Don't think we have one.
Okay.
Babe, spice up the video.
It's nice. Oh, nothing there.
What?
Not, a nut. That is actually funny. But it's actually nice.
It's chocolate and it's chewy. I go and have them finish too.
No, babe, come.
No, why am I finished too?
No, babe, me not make your feet.
No, it's not. No, nobody's sweet no.
Why not in there though? But it tastes really good. It tastes like dark chocolate in the middle. Alright, what we have now? What is like Korea, babe? Guys, what is this? Guys, what? What is? Babe, come break sparks. Come use your brain. You're allergic to hazelnut?
Yeah. I'm allergic to it.
What that? That look like a Korea that come from.
No man, this means Chungjang Jungbang.
Or a Japan that. Come here, said it's a Korea that come from. They are sure that.
Okay.
She said no, she never said that. She said it look like a day.
I want them.
Alright, let's see. Yeah, the DPH in our bathroom still in case I know. The one there smell like poop.
You smell like what? Why you all push it to my nose if it smell like poop?
I want sweet poop. That's my one.
You must smell your poop, man.
Yes, babe, and them don't smell.
Don't cap on the camera. Don't not cap. You must smell
poop smell.
You must smell the dog dead.
Jesus, you lie, Jason. You'd run, and every time I poop, you never run. Show them what it look like.
This is like some, you know, like how you have cheese bread and them type of pastry stuff there. I want them.
It's a pastry, definitely. I'm focus it.
No, wait. Let me tell you, your camera depends on face priority. So if once you none of your face now show it, I go focus on whatever it's. You know, it's seen in the front of the lens. See?
Boom, boom. Yeah, I get it now.
Yeah,
so it's a pastry.
You're not going to try that one, that's good.
Why, babe, no?
Nah, I think you should try it first.
Okay. Wait, in the middle, gooey, look.
Mom can't eat that way.
What?
Too much sweet for one video. Run up my blood sugar level. You don't take on that, I don't like it. I know I don't like sweetie like that.
Not bad. It tastes like something we eat out here already.
So, you said it smell like sweet poop and you said it tastes like something you eat already. So I must still be ate sweet poop before.
Like it don't smell bad, but it smell weird.
She ate sweet poop.
And I didn't have jello. See?
You know me no want that. Bro, who eats them stuff here?
Korean.
Bro, if you drink warhead, you drink one warhead a day, you're gonna feel so hot in your body. And all of them stuff the kids can't eat that and feel good.
Too flaky though. Them got the stuff for them have out in the world like this.
Damn. And then people wonder why them feel some type of way in their body.
I love my sweet Jamaican. Alright, babe, we're gonna eat this Pocky.
Gotcha. We don't have to eat this again because we already had this beer. This is basically the same thing.
So this is the Pocky.
What's Pocky?
Alright, we're gonna try it now.
Look like cigarette. Can I smoke one?
Let us try.
Pocky.
Pocky.
Maybe you want some
What?
Pocky?
Eh? Where this come from? Wheat flour, sugar, palm oil, whole milk powder.
That was beer, I forgot. That smell extra sweet.
Oh, it smells nice.
Yeah,
Product
I've
of
been with this girl how
Thailand.
much years now? 5, 6 years now? And I've never smelled this smell bad.
Yeah,
Ever.
I
It
don't-
always smells sweet.
I don't play that game. Hey, let me tell you something. One stigma we used to, well, I don't know if it's still attached to, you know, bigger size girls. I always hear people say, fat girl or thick girl smells sour. I'm like, bro, where did you get that from? Because I've never smelled sour. Never. Sour as what people say. You have to take care of your body, bathe properly, and you know means you have to dose yourself with perfume. Rub on your coconut oil, bathe with a baking soda, brush your teeth with a baking soda. You know, take care of your body.
Why them so maga?
What is this?
I don't like that, you know.
Babe, we have to track your just pass for one and your free pass done, man. What is one bag of it, you know? Come, babe. Pull a packet. It's so unnecessary. Like, it never have to make.
This tastes like something wet and a food, but that's something we use now to something else. It's a one packy, man.
I really love it. I mean, it don't taste bad though, but it just, I don't love it unnecessary food. Like, if you don't make, like, if I not eat it, you not give me one extra. Like, me not, it's not bad though.
It tastes good.
Yeah, not bad. Thailand that come from. Prince Choco Prince. Alright.
Bro, we be eating chocolate all video. I'm gonna need a lot of water for
You're
you.
gonna love this. Taste it. That is so good.
This make me so wet.
That's the best one so far.
Oh, I know this.
That's the best one.
This is like digestive all over again.
That is the best one. Where is that from, babe? Look.
Heaven. Belgium.
Belgium? Woo.
Mama could have lived in a Belgium.
I
Man.
love that one.
It's still a nice and digestive. Digestive are the biggest
Stuff is.
and the wickedest, bestest biscuit in
No
this
man,
one.
digestive, nothing compared to digestive.
No, I do it with you do me. I'm being full of the water.
How much you pay for it?
No, how much you pay for it?
Hey guys, I'm back just the water. I've never full the cup.
Babe, how much you pay for this?
$50.
No more.
You're too sweet, not even more. That's why I'm gonna just end off the last one with this sour, what is it?
No,
Striking popping candy.
I don't like sour things.
No babe, we're gonna try it together. 20 pouches. Oh,
Pocky.
Whatever.
What is your favorite thing this right now?
don't say that about me.
Little sweet sour.
Oh, this is gonna pop in our mouth.
No, let me know.
I dropped me a bit.
No,
Babe,
man. I'm
babe,
adamant.
you're not gonna do it.
Babe, I'm gonna try this thing.
Okay, promise. Babe,
Alright.
promise. Good. Alright.
Go pop in a mouth.
Babe, I dropped me a make. So it's a little powder something in it.
Why?
Yeah. Ready?
When I eat nothing in my mouth, make you feel like a cola kitchen in my mouth, you know?
What? Like your mouth. Yeah, enjoy it, man.
It's a popping on my head. Why?
Who remember them here from school?
tea.
And popping on my throat.
Keep me true, Lord Jesus, keep me true.
So guys, we're gonna try this because we're supposed to know what this is. What's the water there, sir?
No, what did I do to give you? You have to pay for your site.
The water in the fridge. So what's up, juice done?
No.
Oh. Yeah, that's what we need to get tomorrow. Something for make the water come out. Boy, these snacks they're not bad. They're alright.
Always a couple man then. Excuse me.
I feel good for no say. You know, I can taste one different country snack. Bye guys. I love you guys so much.